Mina ngikhulume ngami mhlawumbe ngakhulumela abanye abantu mhlawumbe nabo they have their, that's why they've chose their ways and all the stuff. Ngikhulume ngami, I think I am not good enough for Udumi in the team. Why am I saying that? Checking the game, I'll go to the other part. Checking the game first. There were a lot of times where I will be in a position. One, I'm not a soccer player. I'm not a football star and all. There were many times in a game where I stand. Ngilindele ibhola kuDumi. uDumi will rather afune liphunyuke enyaweni zakhe and or else aphasele omunye umuntu. Okay. I ended up changing the position. Ngaya on the other side because ngiyabona say, man, I think this thing is too deep njengamanje. So let me change the side and I'll be able to play on the other side. You know? Ngikusho lokho ngoba maningi ama build up that are coming to this. One, I'm not sure, I'm not sure one, no man two. As I said, I didn't prepare the speech, but I felt a need. They would let me explain this once and for all. I'm not a football star. I'm an artist. One, la ikala khona ikale when we were preparing the games. See Jimmy taking our times preparing because we're excited about the games. Not even once Lao Dumi Kona showed up at Jimmy. We only met to Dumi a gaming. Okay, that's pretty cool. Should see no good, but I believe he was supposed to be with us. Sisalung Selelama games and be the captain, be the leader, put the team spirits, we be together, you know. Well, I'm not getting an alog because vele beskates ngazele log. Umangabe sekhanjwa. I think they decided to say, look guys, we're gonna add abantu that will assist us because like it kind of, we are champions and it game inzim. And at the back of my mind I said last year we had players adlali gospel, aculi gospel. I mean we had them and we won. Sidlala ngabo kuphela. Now, what's the need of all these people? Because we have a good team that went there and play Yawina foot, you know. And Nakona last year, I complained last year as much as Sawin. That's mean, my complaint was, hey guys, you don't give me enough game time because I'm here to play. That's what people are coming here for. They're not coming. Maybe if I'm a soccer players, they will go FNP ngalolo soka bazoya ngalo befukubuka itade they will go ngalolo soka, but njengamanje ithini esidlalayo ngabe sipintshwa ikhindi azisipintshele khona, that's what they want to see. Uma ngabe see what, that's what they want to see, that's what people want to see. So let us go there. Then ngacomplain ngegame time, of which namanje even this one there were bekunama signs ebenziwe ukuthi asikhishwe manje. Ngeke ngimkhulumele uJumbo mhlambe nayo nendlela yakhe adila ngayo ngezinto ukuthi mina noJumbo fanele sikhishwe so that kuzongena labantu laba abapikiwe. Some of them, they are Dumi's friend from a team whatever laba dlala khona, and we had players that are meant to be there as a gospel that were supposed to play, but they didn't play. But there are people like Tuabazo Caesar. You understand? And umanga bebe befagwa, my cry was anyway, there was no different, you know. So now this is a build up of izinto eziningi njengoba sizesifika la njengamanje. It's a build up of all these things, because zonke lezi zinto mina I believe ukuthi, because now I'm a leader where I am, and I'm a father, and ngiyakwazi ukubona a leader engagculisekile. I'm not saying nenkinga ngokuthi uDumi captain, but how he does izinto, mina personally, like I don't akungigculisi, because one, uma ngabe, to cut it short, angifuna uze kushaya u4 ngikule live, to cut it short, one into engangikhala ngayo, we are in a changing room. Uma ngabe sise changing room, okay, sesitsheliwe yonke into, that's why, you know, guys, sekukhulunyiwe ngale, now kuyabuywa manje kuthiwa guys gqokani, sesiqedile thina, sesiwinile case, we are going to play the final. Okay, sajabula, hence why I did the live, sijabula, sicula, akuliwe makuliwe, kulindwe bani, all those soccer things, you know. We did that, and then again we move. Okay, bese yaphuma uDumi going back egroundini, and bese siyasala siyashintsha and all about the team spirit, building a team spirit manje. Vela khona amajita that awekho right ngoba there are people abalethiwe la unnecessarily, yabo. What does that mean? That tells us that we are not good enough, yabo. We are not good enough, and there's no team spirit being yekho. Yeah, I'm saying this because as much as I would love to continue, but I just have to make my decision. If I don't have to go there anymore, I just don't have to go there. I don't want to do that. I don't want to be in the was especially in the unnecessary. I mean, I do talk, I do share my view, but in an end when necessary, which I need to talk. Nyaza will say, hey, we have time to blah blah blah. No, I always share my view so that you will know where I stand and why I have always a valid reasons of my views. That's why I want to know my views on Munyomuntu, because I believe in Lento Nameng believe like you know what I get Kumunto and Zinto sing a kiss that. Okay. This is what I believe in. Just as a slang in the then suddenly one of the guys besamba nabo ngisakhumbula kahle, I think uThulani said, guys, niyafuneka egroundini fast njengamanje phuthumani. Hey, sisho sayike shuthi kuyoqala, fanele iqale manje igame, fanele iqale. Hey, yo, okay, fanele iqale igame, all right, that's fine. Hey, siyagijima ke manje ke sesiyasheshisa yonke into. Only to find out ukuthi mangabe sifike egroundini, hayi kuyaliwa la. Hayi manje ngicala sibona manje sise groundini, hey guys, kuyaliwa. And ngiyaqakeka la kunamazwi asho uThulani ethi, guys, fight. Hey bo, kuliwelani. Mhlawumbe usinikeza ugozi lokuthi we must fight ukuthi we are a gospel team or what is happening. Guys, fight. All right, that's cool. Hey, I see another spirit. I see fighter ke manje. Let's be grounding. Hayi man. Ngiyaqala ngiyabona ukuthi hayi sibaningi la ground now 4 la